Hello. In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on HMD version. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app or not. And now your Microsoft Edge browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.